For applications where people can get inside a machine and be accidentally trapped, there may be the need to use an escape release. There are several versions of the MB1 featuring an escape release handle. One of them being the MB1 BL11, which you can see right here. The version of the bolt with the long frame plate to mount locking devices and an escape release handle. That version must only be used together with our TR110 lock. Why is that? The MB1's escape release handle cannot unlock the locking device by its own. So, how to proceed to escape? First, you have to press the escape release handle of the locking device. Afterwards, you can use the escape release of the MB1 to slide open the bolt.